If you're just getting into real estate or have been around real estate for a while, you may have heard other investors mention the 70% rule when talking about deals they're considering buying. In this installment of my Chalkboard Real Estate Investing series, I'll explain what the 70% rule is and how you can use it to help you in your real estate investing journey. So let's jump right into it. The 70% rule is a guideline that real estate investors use to determine whether a potential investment property will be financially viable. It's based on the idea that the purchase price of a property should be no more than 70% of its after repair value, ARV, minus any expected repair costs. The 70% rule of thumb is most frequently used by flippers and wholesalers in order to arrive at an estimate of the maximum price they can offer to a prospective seller for a particular property. A modified version of this rule can also be used by buy and hold investors like myself who follow the BRRRR strategy to build a rental portfolio, allowing them to pull out all of the purchase and rehab money during the refinance stage.